don't replace your emails with Slack. The reality of your emails is you're going to be interacting with customers or external stakeholders, and you'll need to interact with them with email, and they need to be part of that conversation. You can't have a side conversation entirely in Slack. You need to keep your emails for those customer comms. Another point on that is your long form content. Please don't be putting long form content in Slack. It's going to get lost. It's hard to read. What you want to do is put a lot of that long form content in a cloud-based system like Google Drive, and then share your links in Slack for reference. You really want to have a really good index of these systems. You want to be able to find your automation and work policies. You want to be able to find your contracts. You don't need them in Slack. It's such a waste of Slack and the tool it is. And back to using emails, it's going to be hard for a Slack message to hold up in a legal dispute. I don't know how quickly they're going to recognize instant chat. An email holds bigger clout in terms of perception legally, rather than in a Slack message. I don't think it holds the same perception when you're dealing with a customer or stakeholder or staff member. So keep that in the email and not in Slack.